So in this CapCut tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make an Instagram Reel video here inside of CapCut. So once you have CapCut open up on your device, add whatever video you want to turn into an Instagram Reel. So I just took this random stock video here from CapCut. So it says Happy New Year, plain and simple. But if we wanted to change this into an Instagram Reel, pretty simple. Just go to the bottom here where it says ratio. So right in between effects and filters, press on ratio right here. Now go scroll all the way to where it says Instagram, so 1:1. If you press on Instagram right here, now changes it into a square. Then if you press OK, it is now formatted this video into an Instagram Reel that is best to upload into your Instagram account. So that is how you guys can make an Instagram Reel here inside of CapCut. I hope this video helped.